Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 290 front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi spares OR repairs. Body, blue, panel van. Mileage, 156,623. MOT, 31 January 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 105ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt snapped gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,175. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call